Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-85 in North Carolina, beginning at mile 202 in Fishing Creek Township in Granville County. We enter the town of Oxford, the county seat of Granville County, with a population of 8,830. The town's history dates back to 1761, when local legislator Samuel Benton built a plantation home calling it Oxford. The legislature ordered the area around his plantation to be the seat of Granville County. The town was not incorporated until 1816. The first Masonic orphanage for children in the United States was built in Oxford. It was originally established as St. John's College in 1858. The college ceased operations shortly after opening. However, in 1872, the community decided that the property should be repurposed to educate disadvantaged populations. In December 1873, the first residents were admitted to the Oxford Orphans Asylum, which is today known as the Masonic Home for Children at Oxford. In 1851, James H. Horner established the Horner Military Academy. The Oxford Female College was also established in 1851 by North Carolina Baptists. Oxford is home to the largest manufacturing facility of Revlon, the multinational cosmetics, skin care, fragrance, and personal care company. Oddly enough, Oxford is located within Fishing Creek Township, and the next township we come to is Oxford Township, where the town of Oxford is not located. We enter Vance County, which has a population of 44,244. Like Granville County, Vance County is divided up into 8 townships, this one being Dabney Township. We enter the city of Henderson with a population of 15,166. Henderson is the county seat of Vance County. The city was named in honor of former North Carolina Supreme Court Chief Justice Leonard Henderson, who lived nearby. Henderson was officially chartered by the North Carolina General Assembly in 1841. Henderson's elevation is 505 feet or 154 meters above sea level. Residents of Henderson are known as Hendersonians. The city of Henderson is located within Henderson Township. Here we see the beginning of another construction project. A 21-mile repaving project is underway between here and the Virginia state line and is mostly complete except for a 5.5-mile section which is projected to be completed by November. Here US Highway 158 joins us from the left for a couple of miles. At exit 215, US 158 departs to the east in downtown Henderson. Traffic is about to slow to a crawl and then will be stop and go throughout the construction area, but we'll speed up the video so our faithful viewers don't fall asleep. Here we enter Middleburg Township and we've moved across the median to the oncoming lane with one lane of traffic in each direction. We conclude today's video at exit 226. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip. Stop.